Hey guys, Justin here with J Hart Works. I did not film much for day two. We had some dinner plans. I didn't have a lot of time after the guys were done. In fact, we left before they did. But it's a whole lot of the same on the house. Let's go and flip the camera around. Looks like we're going to have two piers in that hole. The bedroom is an absolute disaster. The rest of the house, like I said, it's a whole lot of the same thing. There's a hole there. All of our floor we just had put in last year. We knew it was going to happen, but yeah. There's the area where the 3D printers go. This is the spare room. Actually, my son's back. He's living here now. So we got two in that room. We got one in here. I was hoping these rooms would have been untouched because of, how close they are to an exterior wall, but no. Yeah, pretty much the same out here. The pile of wood has extended, or the pile of dirt, I mean. That's a massive amount of dirt from underneath the house. And found out they're not actually doing any piers on this side of the house. There's going to be some drainage work done here later, I think today, but they're not doing any holes, any big holes anyhow. So yeah, that's kind of a recap for day two, and I'll hit you up this afternoon with the results of day three.